Such a nice section here. That would have been death. Alright guys, first spring day, we're gonna have a beautiful mountain ride up this pass here and let's have some fun. I think I need to say this in every video, but safety is my top priority when driving a bit faster. I always obey the speed limits. Okay, that's sick. That must be also really fun. Downhill. Is allowed here. As you can see, we're never exceeding the speed limit. I need to shuffle here, guys. I need to shuffle. For all the guys talking about my steering technique, I can show you what happens if I use the steering technique that's advised in these. Okay, for this corner it works. But for this corner, oh, it also works, okay. Have fun. Okay, yes. I'm gonna try this now. Again, watching out for other people. Obeying the speed limits, having fun. You can have everything here on these Swiss roads. Okay, pedestrians on this road need to watch out so we can cross them with the oncoming cars. And again, if I drive 90 on my speedo, I'm actually driving 80 on the GPS. You need to keep that in mind. I can legally get away with driving around 95 on the speedo here in the 80 zone in Switzerland. Stunning views here. Oh, that's a white tractor. Whew. Sketchy. Blind corners. There are a lot of potholes here and the road surface is not really that good, to be honest. Oh no, water, that's gonna cool down my tires. This is also the first time driving this road this year, as it's the start of spring. Finally the snow has gone from the road. But it's still a bit wet. Oh, and a lot of stones flying up my wheel wells. Oh, there's a big rock. Whoa, you need to watch. That's gonna be a flat tire if you drive over that. Holy shit. Here I need to shuffle, otherwise the corner is too tight. Those rocks are definitely gonna give you a flat tire. Okay, still some snow, I guess. The plus point of that is that there is not that much traffic up here. Woodwork, oh yo 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 yo. Oh my god, okay. I think that's the end here. Oh no. Holy shit, what happened here? Let's go back then. No. When you drive backwards, you can really smell the rubber of these tires. Also those cow blockers. I'm cutting the lane a little bit because I can see so far ahead. Here I'm gonna slow down for the blind corners and give it some beat. Can you see? I can barely take this corner if I steer like this. I need to shuffle somehow. Somewhere here. I think we're gonna quickly put it out of the way because that is dangerous, man. That is not okay. Oh my god. Guys, that would have been death. That would have been death. Okay, let's quickly go before. Oh no, the car is so dirty. Oh. All right, let's go. Oh yes. So I don't want to blast by bikers with like 80. Gonna respect everyone. Zone, but it's Saturday, so no one is at school. I'm still gonna slow down here a bit. section here. Another fun section, let's go! Yeah, guys, you can drive these corners if you dare at 80 kilometers an hour. I wouldn't advise to do that, but you can. We are obeying all the laws. Whee! Little slippy! Semi-slicks are not right up to temperature yet. Tractor coming. Slow down for the tractor and boost. Oh, another car oncoming, so let's slow down a bit. That's a shame. That would have been a fun corner, but it's too dangerous to take at 80. Another very blind section. Pedestrians. Slowing down for those, and full gas again. Whee! Here, the most dangerous curve of the whole mountain, I think. And you can technically drive 80 around this turn. Yeah, wouldn't be illegal, technically. But it would be dangerous. Here as well, I can see no one is coming from below. But still, this is a very blind corner. Never know what's behind. Nothing! Also, a lot of people asking me what camera and setup I use. I use the DJI Osmo Action 4. Guys, imagine going 80 around this turn without seeing anything. Oh my god. Drive on your lane, girl. Here I also need to shuffle because the corner is so tight. And can you see, I can catch the car even with walking the hands. It is possible. I see rally drivers doing it all the time. And that's where I basically got my steering technique from. I watched pro rally driving POVs and I adapted the steering. Yes, when I can, I stay at 9 and 3. I try not to move my hands, but some corners are so tight, I need to like prepare for those corners because I know they're going to be tighter than my full lock. If you enjoyed this video, you'll probably also enjoy this video right here. And as you can see, we can have a lot of fun within the rules and the speed limits. Drive safe, guys. Peace.